Hey guys, welcome to Lagnora Education. In this video, we are going to learn about the digital divide. Let's go on. Digital divide. The digital divide refers to the gap between individuals who have access to digital technologies like the internet and computers and those who do not. This divide impacts how people interact with the world, access to information, and participate in various opportunities. Factors contributing to digital divide. The digital divide is influenced by several factors. Geographical location is a significant one, as rural areas often lack high speed internet due to limited infrastructure. Economic barriers also prevent many people from affording devices or internet services. Education and skills play a critical role as not everyone knows how to use digital tools even when they have access. Lastly, older adults and people with disabilities may face unique challenges in adapting to technology. Consequences of digital divides are profound. People without digital access face limited opportunities for education, healthcare, and employment. This lack of access also increases economic inequality as it puts them at a disadvantage in the job market. Furthermore, it leads to social exclusion, preventing individuals from participating fully in society and leaving them disconnected. How to close the digital divide? To help school children, we can give them devices like laptops and tablets. Schools need fast internet and free learning websites. Teaching digital skills in class helps students to learn faster. Companies can also give tools like smart boards to schools and help them. Community centers with computers can support kids after school, and affordable internet plans can make studying at home easier. The digital bridge. Building a digital bridge is critical for overcoming the digital divide. This involves implementing programs that connect underserved community to technology. For example, community Wi-Fi programs offer free or low-cost internet access. Government can also provide subsidies for affordable devices and internet services. Moreover, free online platforms offering digital skills training empower people to navigate the digital world. Together, these efforts create a bridge that connects more people to the opportunities.